Getty Bird 小蓝鸟发声英文童谣，这本书会唱歌哦。开关在这里，打开，点这里开始唱歌。
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and
再点一下是停止，游戏歌，边听边做游戏。
Simon says, put your hands on your knees.
手指摇，小手指动起来。
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
韵律歌，韵律中认
Hickory
单词。
dickory dock.
数字歌，学习数数了
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
每本6篇经典童谣，点一点就唱起来了。